Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The silver outlook still remains unchanged and still holding to a bullish stance. However, the resistance at 17.25 is still proving quite a challenge. In light of the technical pattern, we could see a possible impulse beyond there towards 17.40-50 area, but we're not too far now from a potential downturn. The reason behind that is that the last 3 days the market has struggled towards this region, therefore could see a pullback towards the support, as you can see here, around that 1680 level and reassess from there. The gold outlook still pretty much consolidating beneath that 1270 to 72 resistance, although I do expect to see further challenges towards the upside, but likely to fail, and with the outlook eventually shifting back towards the downside with the support coming in at 1251 and firmer beneath at 47 to 30 to 44 and reassess from there. Well, the Australian dollar is still again attempting to restore its bullish sentiment, but however not gaining too far towards that 75 handle. In light of the pattern, I expect to see further supply coming from that region, and the focus is still remaining towards the downside, with the initial support holding at 74.5 and lower towards 73.80.95. Well, with little surprise, well, not surprise, should I say, from the FOMC minutes this morning, the market has actually found a little bit of momentum in euro against the weaker US dollar. In light of the current pattern, I still expect to see further resistance or supply coming in at 112.80 figure, and eventually you see the market turn down towards the support 111.60 and take on the challenge of 110.70.90. Beneath there would give further exposure towards 107. Now that being said, any advances I still expect to see resistance firmly holding intraday at 112.40. Well, the dollar yen attempt to rally did fail beyond the 112 handle, with the focus now shifting back to the support, which comes in at 111.40, with a cap seen minor at 111.95. I'm keeping a very close watch to these indicators due to the fact is that if we do see a failed bullish attempt on dollar yen, then we could be looking back towards that base that's holding at 110.05.15. So that's the wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.